Eat these to live to 99. Unpacking the longevity diet myth. Ever seen a headline promising you'll live to be almost a century old just by eating a few specific foods? It's tempting, right? Let's dive into the truth behind these claims and see what really contributes to a long and healthy life. We're all fascinated by the idea of living longer, and diet is often presented as the magic bullet. The promise of a simple solution, like eating certain foods to extend our lifespan, is incredibly appealing. But is it really that simple? Many longevity diets revolve around a few core principles. Understanding these principles is key to evaluating the claims made about them. The idea of superfoods is central to many longevity diets. These are specific foods that are believed to have exceptional health-promoting properties. Think blueberries, kale, or salmon. These diets emphasize foods packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for overall health and well-being. Fruits and vegetables are prime examples of nutrient-rich foods. They provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The nutrients found in these foods support a healthy immune system. This helps the body fight off infections and diseases. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This damage can contribute to aging and disease. The fiber content in fruits and vegetables promotes healthy digestion. This is crucial for nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods is another key principle. This means choosing foods in their natural state, rather than processed or refined options. Diets rich in whole foods are associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases. This includes heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Whole grains and lean proteins provide sustained energy throughout the day. This helps avoid energy crashes and cravings. These foods have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. They help prevent spikes and crashes, which is important for overall health. Whole, unprocessed foods support optimal bodily functions. They provide the nutrients needed for cells to function properly. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Portion control and mindful eating are crucial for reaping the benefits of a healthy diet. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and chronic diseases. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes. Processed foods are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. These can negate the benefits of otherwise healthy eating habits. A balanced diet is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. This means consuming a variety of foods from all food groups. Eating appropriate portions supports overall health and well-being. It helps prevent overeating and ensures you're getting the right amount of nutrients. While a healthy diet is undoubtedly important, it's crucial to critically evaluate longevity claims. No single food or diet guarantees a long life. A healthy diet is a cornerstone of overall health and well-being. It provides the nutrients needed for optimal bodily function. However, diet is not the only factor that influences lifespan. Other factors play a significant role. Genetics play a role in determining our predisposition to certain diseases. Some people are genetically predisposed to live longer than others. Lifestyle choices, such as exercise, stress management, and sleep, are also crucial. These factors can significantly impact our health and lifespan. Access to quality healthcare is essential for preventing and treating diseases. This can significantly impact lifespan. Longevity claims often oversimplify the complex interplay of factors that contribute to lifespan. They suggest that eating a few specific foods is all it takes. Longevity is a complex interplay of genetics, lifestyle, environment, and access to healthcare. It's not just about diet. No diet can guarantee a long and healthy life. While a healthy diet can increase your chances, it's not a guarantee. The headline, "Eat these to live to 99, is an oversimplification. While diet plays a crucial role in health, it's not the only factor determining lifespan. A balanced intake of nutrient-rich, whole foods is essential for overall well-being. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Practicing portion control and mindful eating is also important. Be aware of how much you're eating and avoid overeating. Making healthy lifestyle choices, such as regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, is key to well-being. These factors work in synergy with a healthy diet. While a healthy diet can potentially increase your lifespan, it's not a guarantee. It's one piece of the puzzle. Longevity is a complex interplay of various factors, including genetics, lifestyle, environment, and access to healthcare. Focus on optimizing all aspects of your health for the best possible outcome. Ready to take control of your health journey? Start by incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. Download our free guide to healthy eating habits and discover simple steps you can take today to improve your well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health tips and expert advice. Let's work together to build a healthier, happier you.